No, because this is where it happens. Okay, so one of the most nerve-wracking things about getting a bus is getting it registered as an RV and jumping through all the hoops that entails in whatever state you're in. And South Carolina is really rough. Like, you have to get multiple inspections, you have to, it's just a whole thing. We reached out to Justin, right? Justin at Gilligan Phantom, and he kind of told us what the process was like, and we decided no. So we went the route that a lot of schoolies do and decided to get it registered in Vermont. So we're going to tell you a little bit about that process, so that it maybe will be a little less scary for you, because we were terrified that it wouldn't work, and it was scary sending a bunch of money and our original title all the way over to Vermont. So I will link down below a whole thread on schoolie.net where there's a guy who breaks down exactly what you need to do. The only thing that's different from what he said to do, supposedly sending a copy of your title is okay. It was not. So we sent our application out on September 18th of last year, 2020, and sent the money order, sent the form filled out, and sent a copy of the title, and just sat here, fingers crossed, and hope for the best. And then in October, probably?
Mid-October, we got a letter stating that our copy of our title was not good enough. They needed the original title, which is definitely kind of nerve-wracking to send your title for your bus / house.
Yeah, so as we were sending it off, we're like taking video of us putting it in an envelope, and as if somehow that would protect us from the situation. So, yeah, so basically all you're gonna do, and again, I'll link the details down below, but you're gonna fill out a form, you're gonna send in a money order and your original title. And so from the time we sent it in, like we said, we sent it mid-September, we got a letter back mid-October, so we probably would have had our plates and everything at that point. But then we sent it right back out again with the title, and we got everything back.
We got our beautiful plates.
Yay, like 2 weeks ago. Phone call. We have a mechanic coming to take a peek at the bus, because the bus is not, it's starting, but a worn engine, stop engine light keeps popping on every time we try and go anywhere. So, scary. Is he here?
Yes.
Okay. So, mechanic's here, yay. But yeah, again, I will link everything below, but from the time we sent everything in to the time that we had the title, the license plates, and everything in our hands, it was 3.5 months. So, yay! We can finally get rid of our temporary trip license that we got on our way here from St. Louis. And yeah, yay for one step closer to being legal. Just need to get insurance now. Another thing that's probably super important to mention as far as the title goes, we got our tabs and the license plates before we got the title back. So that made us a little bit nervous. It was almost like a 2-week lag time between the two. So, and that seems to be pretty normal. We met another schoolie couple here in Charleston who, same thing. And they got theirs sooner. Or no, they called to reach out and say, hey, like, we got our plates, where's our title? And they said, yeah, that just comes like a couple weeks later. So if you get your tags and your plates, don't be scared, your title's coming.